So in this example here, we have a set of processes B1 through B5, and in the system there are three types of resources, or R1, R2, and R3. Each one of these resource types has many instances currently available. From R1, we have 3 instances of R1, we have 3 instances of R2, and 2 instances of R3. And the question is this state safe? And we notice that for each process, for example, process 1, this is what it can claim at the maximum it can claim at any time. For example, it could claim up to 7 instances of R1, and up to 5 instances of R2, and up to 3 instances of R3. However, currently, what is being allocated to that process is 0 instances of R1, 1 instance of R2, and 0 instance of R3. And the same applies to the remaining processes. So before we start checking whether the state is safe or not, we calculate what's called the needs. What could process one, for example, request in the future? And this is defined as the maximum claim it required or declared at the beginning minus what is currently available. So calculating that, we notice that it could claim 7 instances of R1, but currently it has only 0 allocated, so it could at any point ask 7 minus 0. And from R2, it could claim up to 5, but currently only 1 is allocated, so that means it could claim up to 4 additional instances of R2. And from R3, its maximum claim is 3, but currently it has only 0 allocated, so that means it could at some point claim 3. And applying the same concept for the remaining processes, P2 can claim up to 3 minus 2, which is 1 from R1, 2 minus 0, which is 2 from R2, and 2 minus 0, which is 2 from R3. Similarly, P3 can claim 6, or can need 6 from R1, 0 from R2, and 0 from R3. For P4, it could claim 0 more instances of R1, 1 more instance of R2, and 1 more instance of R3. And finally, B5 can claim up to 4 more instances of R1, 3 more instances of R2, and 1 more instance of R3.